So we're about 4 months out from the big iPhone 16 reveal, and we've already got a peek at what's coming. What's up, guys? It's time for some exciting updates on the iPhone 16 series. Leaked images of iPhone 16 case dummies have given us a peek at the rumored size changes. The Pro Max model is set to have a massive 6.9-inch screen, while the Pro version increases to 6.3 inches. The Standard and Plus models retain their sizes at 6.1 and 6.7 inches, respectively. As you can see, the non-Pro models will have a vertical camera layout this time, and it's not just for looks. These findings align with the previous rumors we've been hearing about the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. So first up, we have the standard iPhone 16. With the standard iPhone 16, we get a 6.3-inch OLED display, but unfortunately, this is still going to be an LTPS display. The iPhone 16 is going to have a taller aspect ratio than last year, and it's going to be protected by Ceramic Shield 2. We get the new Dynamic Island, which covers up the 12-megapixel selfie camera and Face ID sensors. With the iPhone 16 Pro Max, we get a 6.9-inch, 120Hz OLED display. Again, like the other phones, it's got a taller aspect ratio than its predecessor, and it's protected by Ceramic Shield 3. The camera arrangement is also getting a makeover, with vertical alignment potentially hinting at spatial video capabilities. This could mean a broader adoption of 3D-style content across the lineup. Moving on to specs, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are expected to feature a 5x telephoto camera, an ultra-wide upgrade, and possibly a 48-megapixel sensor. Meanwhile, the 16 Pro Max is getting a main lens sensor that's 12% bigger for better dynamic range and less noise. The Pro models are also rumored to sport a glossy titanium frame, enhancing their premium appeal. Plus, it's got a new telephoto lens with a focal length of over 300 millimeters. Under the hood, there's the A18 Pro chip built on TSMC's 3-nanometer process. And the biggest chip is the generative AI capabilities, just like what we've seen on Samsung's S24 Ultra. But interestingly, Apple is taking a different approach here. See, on the S24 Ultra, AI works in two ways. Some features run entirely on the device, no internet needed, while others rely on a mix of on-device and cloud-based processing. But Apple's going all in on local AI processing for the iPhone 16. What does that mean? Well, for starters, it might mean that Apple's AI tools could be a tad less powerful than what you'd find on the S24 Ultra, but it's not all bad news. Going local means faster response times and tighter privacy controls. Plus, it also means that Apple might control which iPhone gets access to those AI features. For color options, the Pro Max and Pro models may come in light blue or gray and black, respectively, while the standard iPhone 16 could debut in black, white, silver, and pink variants. Additionally, there's speculation about 7 color options, including white and purple, expanding the range for users. In terms of pricing, expect the iPhone 16 series to start around $850 for the standard model, reaching up to $1,300 for the Pro Max. Each model is anticipated to launch in September 2024. Now, of course, because of all the similarities to its predecessor, it's probably not going to make anyone with an iPhone 15 rush for an upgrade. But for anyone with an older iPhone or looking to get their first iPhone, that's going to be a great choice. Share your thoughts in the comments. Now, of course, as we approach the launch, more and more information is going to continue to come in, and I'll be sharing it as soon as it does so. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.